Hey guys, John here. It's going to be a really easy tutorial. This video is just to demonstrate how I set up my IDE, which is a integrated development environment. Some of you guys asked like the code styles and how I do, matching braces and stuff like that. So what you're looking at here is the default settings for Unity and Monodevelop when you receive it. And what you're going to do is if you are on a Mac, you're going to go to Monodevelop Unity, go to Preferences. If you're in Windows, everything's the same, you just go to Tools. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come down here to Text Editor. I'm going to go into General. And the first thing I do is I enable Code Completion. And what that's going to do is that's going to basically, that's going to allow me to basically, it's going to help me, it's the tooltip basically. It gives you the tooltip, you could think of it as. I also do enable code folding, which allows me to fold my code. And I have them fold by default. Basically what that is here, if you look, I can basically now, if I hit OK, I can fold my functions. So that's what that is. It's pretty neat if you get into like a long script and you need to organize it. So hopping back in here to Preferences, I'm going to go to General. All that looks pretty good. I'm going to keep all that. I'm going to go to Markers and Rulers. I'm not going to change any of that. Behaviors. Insert matching brace. That's how I can type just an if statement with one parenthesis and it will match the parenthesis. Same with the open bracket. It automatically gives you a closing bracket. I also have checked smart semicolon placement. It will automatically add a semicolon when it thinks it's when it thinks it should. Alright, the last thing is syntax highlighting. This is what gives you the delete effect. That's what I call it. So I use Monokai and now you have this. So that's how you get my editor. Yeah, hope you guys like it. Thanks.